Welcome to OphirPh, and explore Filipino food and drinks. Is Humba Filipino food delicious? Humba or Dongpo is a sweet pork dish that resembles the famous pork adobo in terms of appearance. This is popular in the southern parts of the Philippines and is considered as one of the delicacies of the region. Pork belly, pork hocks, and pork ham are the three most common pig parts used to make this delightful masterpiece. Please subscribe in our YouTube channel and follow and like us on Facebook #OphirPh. Humba pork, which is made by pan frying and then red cooking pork belly. The pork is cut thick, about 2 inches square, and should consist equally of fat and lean meat. The skin is left on. The mouthfeel is oily but not greasy, and the dish is fragrant with wine. The dish is named after the famed Song Dynasty poet and gastronome Dongpo. Legend has it that during Dongpo's life of poverty during his banishment to Hangzhou, he improved on the traditional process. He first braised the pork, added huangju, yellow wine, to make red braised pork, then slowly stewed it on low heat. In their scholarly work Chinese Gastronomy, Lin Xiangwu and Lin Suifeng give the recipe the fragrance of pork, Dongpo pork, and remark that the square of fat is named after Dongpo, the poet, for unknown reasons. Perhaps it is just because he would have liked it. Dongpo pork experienced 3 phases of popularity, from first appearance to mainstream appreciation. The history of the dish is said to parallel the experiences of Dongpo, from Xuzhou, a northern city of Jiangsu province, where Dongpo pork first appeared under the name of Huizing pork, to Huangzhou, today Huanggang of Hubei province, where Dongpo finalized the method and recipe, and finally to Hangzhou, where Dongpo pork was officially named. This dish uses all the ingredients of pork adobo, however, certain ingredients such as brown sugar, salted black beans, and banana blossoms make this dish stand out. There are also other variations wherein pineapple juice is used. I learned this from my friends that came from Cebu, Davao, and Jensan. This gives more life to the dish as far as I'm concerned. Here are the list of Humba ingredients. 2 pounds pork belly, 1 cup pineapple juice, 1 large onion diced, 5 cloves garlic minced, 2 tablespoons salted black beans, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons vinegar, 2½ tablespoons brown sugar, ½ cup dried banana blossoms, 2 pieces dried bay leaves, 1 teaspoon whole peppercorn. Here is the instruction how to cook Humba recipe. 1. Heat the cooking pot, then brown the pork belly. 2. Add the onions and garlic and cook until the onions are soft. 3. Put in the soy sauce, peppercorn, bay leaves. 4. Pour in the pineapple juice and let boil. Simmer until the pork is tender, add water as needed. 5. Add the vinegar and wait for the mixture to reboil. Simmer for 3 minutes. 6. Spoon in the salted black beans and brown sugar, then simmer for 5 minutes. 7. Add the dried banana blossoms and simmer for 5 to 8 minutes. 8. Transfer to a serving plate and serve. Share and enjoy. Shout out to my friend Pan Lasang Pinoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe in our YouTube channel and follow and like us on Facebook #OphirPh.